أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم وبشر الذين آمنوا وعملوا الصالحات أن لهم جنات تجري من تحتها الأنهار كلما رزقوا منها من ثمرة رزقا قالوا هذا الذي رزقنا من قبل وأوتوا به متشابها ولهم فيها أزواج مطهرة وهم فيها خالدون. Dear friends, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. This is ayat number 25 of Surah Baqarah. Allah tells us in this ayat the blessings that will fall on the people of Jannah. So the picture of that we can find in this ayat. So Allah said, Wa bashiril lazina. Wa and bashir and give happy news. Allazina to those people amanu who are believers, who are with iman. Wa amilu solihat and who are doing good deeds. Wa bashiril lazina amanu wa amilu solihat and give good news, happy news to those people who are with iman and doing good deeds. Anna that lahum for them jannatin gardens. وبشر الذين آمنوا وعملوا الصالحات أن لهم جنات and give happy news to those people who are believers and who are doing good deeds that for them there are gardens, paradise, tajri flowing, min tahte under them, hal anhar rivers, streams. So under those gardens of Jannah, streams and rivers are flowing. Kullama every time. Rozeku they will be given rizq minha there in Jannah min samaratin from fruits rizqan that will be rizq will be given to them from fruits. Allah said when that rizq will be given to them. This is an example which Allah tells here because there will be so many blessings of Allah. So this rizq in the form of fruit is one example just to tell that what will be the expression of the people there, and Allah wants to tell us these blessings how it will be there in Jannah. So the fruit that will be given, so when they taste it, they found it that it was we have eaten before also, because but the taste will be different, the texture will be different, the structure of the fruit will be same, but inside texture and the taste and how much delicious it will be, so that level will be different there. So this way Allah said, Roziku they will be given rizq, minha there in Jannah, min samaratin from the fruit, rizqan that will be rizq for them, qalu when this will be given to them, qalu they will say, haza this, Allazi, this one is the same. Rozikna, which we have been provided already. This is the same that we were provided before, min qabl, before. So that was already we have eaten it. So they will say this one. So that already we have tasted it. That is the same one. Utu bihi mutashabiha wa utu, and they will be given mutashabiha, similar, resembling. Like it will resemble, it will be similar to the fruits that they had eaten in this world. They will say in Jannah, so this fruit is same that we have eaten already, but when they taste it, so they will find the texture and the taste, so that will be so much nice, million times more than the taste of the fruit of this world. When we'll take the other fruit, the taste of that will be more good than the first one. But when will they take the third one, the taste of that one will be more good than the first two. But in this world, if we take one fruit, then we eat the other one, then we eat other one, third one. Automatically after three, four, then we will taste will decline and we will leave eating. But in Jannah, not this will be. There will be, you can eat a one, then other, the other. When you eat the next one, the taste of next one every time will be going up, nice and delicious, more and more. So this will be the one thing. The other thing is that when we eat more things here, there is problem. Some people they eat more, then they become fat, problem. But there will be no problem of fat. So nothing at all, and no illness, nothing problem. So mashallah, everything will be fine. Eating will not bring any disease there. No diseases, health every time, healthy. Nice program. So this will be Allah's blessings there. And even Allah said, even the fruits they will feel it. This is similar, but that will be when they taste it, that they will found it. This is really different because of the texture, because of the taste, because of how delicious that one. So these things will be counted there. Now Allah said after this, walahum, and for them, fiha, there in Jannah, azwajun, there will be wives, mutahharatun, they will be pure, purified. Here you can see the my women they have like uh, throughout the month they have some periods, but there will be no at all, and they will be pure every time, and mashallah, and something that makes a husband and wife sometime trouble problems. So Allah will take those type of dirty things from the nafs, and nafs will be so much clean, and every time they will feel nice and good, and mashallah, so the blessings will be more and more, so they will feel so much happy and nice and pure. Wahum fiha khalidun, wahum, and they fiha in Jannah khalidun, they will stay forever there. So this will be the thing. So in this Allah said, Wabashiril lazina amanu, and give the good news to those people who are with Iman, wa amilu salihate, and who are doing good deeds. So the two things are very important, Iman and Amal. So these good deeds and strong Iman, if we have here, then Allah's mercies fall on it. Then Allah said, Anna lahum, and for them, Jannatin, there is gardens for them, Tajri min tahtihal anhar, under under those gardens, the streams and the rivers are flowing. Kullama, every time, Roziku minha min samaratin, and they will be provided in Jannah the rizq in the form of fruits. Rizqan, Qalu hazal lazi ruzikna. They will say, this is the same that have been provided to us min qabl already. Wa'utu bihi mutashabiha, and they will be given mutashabiha means similar as they have eaten already. So similar fruits they will be given, but they will find the taste and texture different. They will feel the difference there. So that will be million times more, and that will be the blessings of Allah. And walahum fiha azwajum mutaharatun, and there will be pure wives and nice woman, and that will be the other blessings of Allah. Because in this world, people they have the desire of two things, and like you can see, like nice wife and good eating and food. So good food and good wife, so that will be there available. So and Allah will, Allah is explaining here that so much blessings will be more than that. This is like a one example that Allah gave here. وَهُمْ فِيهَا خَالِدُونَ, and they will stay there forever. So Jannah or gardens, those are the place for us, not for 1 day, 2 day, 70 years, 80 years, 90 years, 100 years, millions years, nothing, but for uncountable. We can't count because there is no countable. Count is possible only when there is death. When there is something end, then count is possible. But there will be no count because that life will be forever. So they will stay there in Jannah forever if the person they are with good iman and doing good deeds. One person came to me and then said that how is it possible to be a good person? I said, uh, don't take enjoyment like while doing sinful thing. So when you are doing evil practice or doing some sinful thing, so that enjoyment that you will get that time, that will last for the moments. After half an hour, 1 hour, 2 hour, maybe 2 days, 3 days, that taste or that enjoyment will finish. That comes after doing evil practice. But the sin or evil practice, the the bad reward of that one, so that will be loaded on the person up to, and that will go into the grave and to the day of judgment, and will become the cause to take the person to hell also. So that is the important thing, that we have to think about that, that for little enjoyment we are taking so much sinful practice or evil practice, the sin that will be loaded on us and will go with us even in grave at the day of judgment also. Just for little, to have a little bit enjoyment, then we are doing so many sinful things. So the better is that we have to avoid all type of sinful activities. That is the first thing. And sometimes we feel like hard to do good practice or good deed, but hardness will finish quickly, and the good deed that will be loaded to us, and that will stay with us in grave and at the day of judgment. So that will be the reason that to go into Jannah. So we have to be careful. If there is a deed where we, the deed, if it becomes hard for us in this world, we have to do it, because that hardness will finish just within moments or maybe within 1 2 days. So no problem. hardness will go off, but the reward of that good deed will stay with us in grave at the day of judgment, and that will become a chance to go into Jannah. So we must be good person, try to make our iman strong and try to do our deeds good. So then Jannah, paradise is waiting for us. Allah gave us Jannatul Firdaus, as Prophet Muhammad said that when make a dua, do dua from Allah just for Jannatul Firdaus. So we request Allah, O Allah, give us a place in Jannatul Firdaus with the neighborhood of Prophet Muhammad there. Ameen.